class 10 geography. So your topic is that ki chapter 4, that is climates. So class 9 NCERT geography, that is chapter 4, that is climates. And in climates, this is a very important question, that is what factors affecting India's climate. So explain it in details. Okay. So if I talk about the geographical factors for controlling about the climates of India, the first factor it will be the latitudes. So latitudes controls Indian climates. Okay. So if I talk about the latitudes, then this is the roughly India map. Okay. This is the very rough Indian map. So as you know that the Tropic of Cancer passes middle of the India, yes or no? So in western side it will be the run of Kutch to the in east, that is the that is the Mizoram in east side. So this Tropic of Cancer divided India almost to equal parts. Okay. So this Tropic of Cancer control Indian climates. In the north of the Tropic of Cancer, at the north of the part of the Tropic of Cancer, this area face the subtropical climate. This area face the subtropical climates. So north of the Tropic of Cancer face subtropical climate in India, and south of the Tropic of Cancer, most of the southern India faces the tropical climates. Tropical climate. Therefore, we can say that the Indian climate is tropical as well as subtropical because of the presence of the Tropic of Cancer. So you know that is easy for understand, that is latitudes controls our Indian climate. Okay. So latitudes, I can read it again. The Tropic of Cancer passes middle of the India, and this Tropic of Cancer divided India almost to equal parts, and the north of the Tropic of Cancer faces the subtropical climate, and south of the Tropic of Cancer faces the tropical climates. Therefore, the Indian climates is tropical as well as subtropical climates. Now, the second controlling factor of Indian climates, that is altitudes. Altitudes mean height. So how altitudes control our climate? As you know that if any place located in the height, their temperature will be decreased. The decrease rate of the temperature, if we move 1 kilometer from the ground, the temperature decrease 6.5 degree Celsius per kilometer. This is called normal lapse rate. Therefore, the height control our climates. Okay. So if I apply it to India, that is how altitudes control Indian climates, then you can say that in north and northeast side of India, the Himalaya mountains are present. Yes or no? Okay. So these Himalaya mountains, the average height of the Himalaya mountains is 6,000 meters. Therefore, these Himalaya mountains protect us from the Siberian winds. Okay. So therefore, Indian climates in winter times are not extreme cold like central India or Siberia. So Indian climates in winter times are milder winter compared to Central Asia because of the presence of Himalaya mountains. Because our Himalaya mountains protect us from this extreme cold wind, okay, from the Siberia. So this is the latitudes, altitudes controls our Indian climates. So I can we can say that Indian climates are milder winter as compared to Central Asia. Okay. So now the third controlling factor of Indian climate, that is, you can say that the pressure and wind. So pressure and wind is the third controlling factor in Indian climate. Pressure and wind. So then if pressure and winds, you can say that the jet stream control our Indian climates. You can say that the western cyclonic disturbance also controls our climates. Here I teach you one easy thing, that is the monsoon, the north, that is advancing monsoons and retreating monsoons. So this is easy for understand, that is how pressure controls our Indian climates. So we can say that in winter time, the high pressure bed developed in Himalayan belt area and low pressure developed in oceans, Indian oceans. Therefore, in winter time, the wind travel from this high pressure to the low pressure bed. These winds are very dry, therefore Indian winter are dry. And this wind coming from the Himalayan mountains, therefore this wind brings cold. So that's why Indian winter is cold and dry. So, and if I talk about the advancing monsoon seasons, that pressure belt is opposite. So high pressure should be developed in Indian oceans and low pressure developed in northern area. Therefore, wind travels in summer advancing monsoon from the oceans to the land, and these winds brings lots of moisture from Indian oceans. Therefore, India maximum receive their rainfall from this time. So you can now that is easy for understand, that is how pressure and winds control our Indian climate. So you can answer these questions very easily. What factors affect the Indian climate? Explain in details. You can say these 3 points in details. Thank you for this class.